Service in Gray, Maine has issued a snow squall warning for northeastern Sullivan County in central New Hampshire, southeastern Grafton County in northern New Hampshire, Belknap County in central New Hampshire, northwestern Merrimack County in central New Hampshire, southwestern Carroll County in northern New Hampshire, until 7 p.m. At 6 p.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from near Holderness to near Enfield, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, heavy snow and blowing snow. Wind gusts greater than 35 miles per hour. Source, radar and webcams. Impact, dangerous, life-threatening travel. This includes the following highways: Interstate 89 between mile markers 21 and 37, and between mile markers 46 and 52. Interstate 93 between mile markers 51 and 77. Locations impacted include Laconia, Franklin, New London, Meredith, Plymouth, Moulton Borough, Grafton, Alton, Enfield, Canyon, Gilmenton, Canterbury, Holderness, Ashland, Bradford, Danbury, Wilkesboro, Warner, Belmont, and Guilford. Temperatures are above freezing, but sharply colder temperatures following the snow will cause any water or slush to quickly freeze on roads and sidewalks. Untreated road surfaces will become extremely slippery. Reduced speeds and increased distance between vehicles is advised.